What if every boring, stressful, time-wasting task in your home could be handled by AI in seconds, completely free? Paying bills, fixing appliances, dealing with difficult neighbors, planning your week, all of it. In this video, I am going to show you 5 free AI tools that will make your daily home life easier than you ever thought possible. No tech skills needed. No expensive smart home devices. Just your phone and AI. Stay till the end, because tool number 5 is something every homeowner and renter needs to know, and it has saved people thousands in home repair costs. Welcome back to AI Hub Prompt, where we show you the best free AI tools that make real life easier. If you are new here, every week we cover practical AI tools that anyone can use. Hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Now, let's talk about home life. The average person wastes 2 to 3 hours every single day on tasks that AI can handle in minutes. Searching for information, writing messages, fixing things around the house, planning meals and schedules. In 2026, there is no reason to struggle with any of this alone. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT as your home repair expert. Every homeowner knows the feeling. Something breaks, you call a repairman. He charges you $150 just to show up, then another $200 for a 20-minute fix. In 2026, AI can tell you exactly what is wrong and how to fix it yourself. Here is the prompt. Open ChatGPT and type, "My appliance fixture is having this problem. Describe exactly what is happening. It started when it started. I am not a professional. Tell me the most likely cause, whether it is safe to fix myself, and give me step-by-step instructions to fix it at home." ChatGPT will diagnose the problem, tell you if it is a DIY fix or needs a professional, and walk you through every step. It even tells you exactly which tools you need and where to buy the parts. I tested this with a leaking faucet, a broken door lock, and a flickering light. ChatGPT gave the correct fix every single time, completely free. Tool number 2, ChatGPT as your personal home manager. Most people feel overwhelmed at home because they have no system. Cleaning, cooking, bills, errands, everything piles up. AI creates a complete home management system for you in 30 seconds. Use this prompt to create a weekly home management schedule for a family of X people. Include daily cleaning tasks, weekly deep cleaning, meal planning, bill payment reminders, and grocery shopping. Make it realistic for a busy working family. Divide tasks fairly between family members. ChatGPT gives you a complete weekly schedule. Morning routines, evening routines. Who does what, when to pay which bills, when to do laundry. Everything organized in one place. You can also ask it to create a monthly home checklist, things like checking smoke detectors, cleaning filters, servicing appliances, so nothing gets forgotten and nothing breaks down unexpectedly. Tool number 3, using AI to write difficult messages and letters. At home, we constantly need to write messages that are hard to get right. Complaining to a landlord, asking a neighbor to stop making noise, writing to a utility company about a wrong bill. Most people either avoid these conversations or write something that makes things worse. Here is how AI fixes this type. Write a polite but firm message to my landlord. The problem is, describe problem. I want him to fix it within X days. I do not want to sound rude, but I want to be taken seriously. Keep it short and professional. ChatGPT writes the perfect message every time. Polite enough to keep the relationship good, firm enough to get results. You can use this for neighbor complaints, utility company disputes, online shopping refund requests, and even writing to your child's school. Any situation where you need the right words, AI has them. Tool number 4, AI for reducing your home energy bills. Most families overpay on electricity and gas every single month, not because they use too much, but because they do not know the simple changes that make a big difference. Use this prompt. My monthly electricity bill is dollar amount. My home has X bedrooms. I use list your main appliances, AC, washing machine, electric heater, etc. Give me a specific action plan to reduce my electricity bill by at least 20% without buying any new equipment. ChatGPT will give you a personalized energy-saving plan, exact times to run your washing machine, which appliances to unplug at night, How to use your AC more efficiently. Small changes that add up to $30 to $80 per month in savings. You can also ask, what are the biggest energy wasters in a typical home? And you will be surprised how many of them are in your house right now. Tool number 5, and this one could save you thousands. Most homeowners and renters have no idea what is actually in their home until something gets stolen or damaged. Then they file an insurance claim and realize they cannot prove what they owned. Here is how AI fixes this. Walk through every room in your home, list everything of value. Then open ChatGPT and type, "Here is a list of items in my home." Paste your list. Help me create a proper home inventory document. Include estimated values for each item, tell me which items are most important to insure, and tell me what documents or photos I should keep for insurance purposes. ChatGPT creates a complete home inventory, organized by room, with estimated values, list, and a checklist of photos to take for insurance purposes. You can also ask, "Review my home insurance policy," paste summary, "Am I underinsured? What important coverage am I missing?" This one conversation could save you from a financial disaster if something ever goes wrong at home. Quick pause. If these tools are helping you, hit the like button right now. I am putting all 5 ChatGPT prompts from this video in the pinned comment below, free. Go grab them after the video. So there you have it, 5 free AI tools that make your daily home life easier. AI Home Repair Assistant, Weekly Home Planner, Writing Difficult Messages, Reducing Energy Bills, and Home Inventory for Insurance. All of this is completely free. All you need is ChatGPT and 5 minutes. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Next week, I am covering how students can use AI to study smarter, write better essays, and get better grades without paying for tutors. See you in the next one.